everybody, Custom Mike's here. I'm actually sitting in my RV. I made it to Winfield Rod & Custom safe and sound after about an hour of changing out a lift pump on the side of the curb on 210 freeway, a little bit north of Pasadena. Hair racing little ride. Fortunately enough, I had a lift pump. That's what the diesel guys call the fuel pump, I guess. I had to roll in under the back of this diesel pusher and swap it out. I'm so glad I had one with me, and just a bare amount of tools to do it. So I'm at Winfield's a little bit later than I wanted to be, simply because I was just rolling around on the freeway for an hour trying to get that lift pump out and swapping out all the fittings and all that stuff. But let me swap. Good evening, Edgar. Hello, Pam. Hi, everybody that's on board. Custom Mike's here, and I'm actually sitting outside Winfield Rod & Custom. Let me switch there. And you can see out there, that is Winfield Rod & Customs in Mojave, California. And I figured I'd sneak the corner spot, and hopefully I can wake up early tomorrow and shoot some cool video when vehicles come in and set up like they're going to be setting up, like they're right in here. This whole place will be full, and out on the road here will be full, all along the street and all that kind of stuff. So, but we are sitting at the Gene Winfield Rod & Custom in Mojave, California, and I'm just so happy to be here. For a while there, I thought I wasn't going to make it, so yeah, one stupid little lift pump given out on the freeway will change your world around. And when the trucks come by right next to you at 75 miles an hour, when you're laying underneath it, it gets scary. So, especially on 210 freeway at Friday night commute. So, good morning, Finland. Hello, Mikko, and hello, Michael, and everybody who's on board. So, I just wanted to let you know I made it to Gene Winfield Rod & Custom. And I'm going to try to clean up a little bit, laying under that RV that's got 20 or 30 years of road grime on it, and trying to wrestle this lift pump out of the Cummins. Just rained stuff on me for an hour, so I'm just going to get some Z's and get up in the morning again and shoot you some film or some video. So hopefully you'll hang with us here at Custom Mike's tomorrow morning. There'll be a lot of stuff happening this weekend, so I'm going to be at Winfield's from whenever I get up, probably until noonish or so. Then I'm going to run down to Pomona Swap Meet and do some lives from there, Saturday afternoon, evening. And then I'll do live on Sunday. And Juan Villalba is also going to do live from Carson Coffee down in Newport, I think it is. So it's going to be a lot of cool stuff for you. So anyhow, thanks for you guys' support, and I appreciate you guys, all the comments and stuff on the other video. It was just a shorty because I wanted to make sure I got it going and off the road. So I just shot it from the driver's seat of the RV when I was getting ready to get the hell out of there, because I was on an exit ramp that was scary looking with homeless underneath and all that stuff, and I couldn't, yeah, it's not a good place to be. So anyhow, appreciate you guys a lot. So we're here at Gene Winfield's Rod & Custom for the Winfield Rod & Custom show tomorrow. So we're looking forward to seeing you then. Set your clocks. It should be, I should be coming on somewhere between 8 or 9, maybe a little earlier. We'll see how it goes. Love you all. Thanks for hanging to Custom Mike's. See ya.